The Barista Touch Impress is our first ever assisted espresso machine, featuring step-by-step barista guidance and auto milk with alternative milk settings. The machine was designed and built for people who are looking for a bit more convenience and guidance when it comes to achieving third wave speciality coffee at home.
Our skilled team of designers and engineers spent 3 years creating the Barista Touch Impress. We created a range of innovative features that really add to the machine, all with the goal of simplifying aspects of manual espresso that people often find challenging.
We've taken the best elements from our widely successful Barista Touch, but added a whole lot more. Our new machine is stylish. With Luxe design, color and chrome accents, it adds a premium look to your kitchen. It's also compact, and to achieve third wave specialty coffee, it has the same fundamental elements as a commercial espresso machine, what we refer to as the 4 keys formula.
Third wave specialty coffee preparation has traditionally been viewed as a manual process.
We saw the need to develop a machine that could make the process of manual espresso enjoyable and accessible for most people. So we added 3 key innovations to the Barista Touch Impress: Barista Guidance, the Impress Puck system, and Auto Milk.
The first feature is Barista Guidance, a new step-by-step touchscreen experience that can guide you through every stage of the coffee making process. It provides real-time feedback on your shot by telling you if it's pouring too fast or too slow, and will guide you to a coarser or finer grind. It also has precise guided milk texturing.
With a clever, friendly, animated touchscreen, it lets you simply swipe through a carousel and select from a range of cafe favorites. It then lets you customize a coffee recipe so it's just the way you like it.
It's actually quite fun to use. It simplifies the complicated parts of manual espresso making without losing the hands-on feel.
Your favorite morning coffee might be a cappuccino. The shot could be stronger, or the milk could be hotter or more textured. Then you simply choose your own icon and save it with your name.
But that's just a start. It's the way the Barista Guidance cleverly works with our second feature, the Impress Puck system, that truly makes it special. When it comes to tamping, there's a lot to consider. Not tamping evenly and with 10 kilograms of pressure can easily result in under or over extracted espresso, which can really impact the flavour of your coffee. Not to mention the manual process of tamping itself, which can create a bit of a mess on your counter.
The Impress Puck system, with help from Barista Guidance, walks you through the spectrum of grind sizes and how each size will affect your espresso. Then, it helps you precisely control the dose in combination with intelligent dosing.
The dose is automatically calculated and the coffee is centrally loaded into the portafilter, so it's even. Then the machine guides customers to add a bit more if the dose is too low. Once the precise quantity has been reached, a satisfying green tick will appear on the touchscreen.
Users then have control of their tamp with an assisted lever. When fully engaged, this lever helps them achieve a consistent mess-free tamp that applies the right amount of pressure to the coffee puck. This, combined with a 7-degree barista twist, replicates the motions of a skilled barista.
Once again, it's the way the Impress Puck system works with Barista Guidance that's so special. It measures and records the level of the last dose and tamp cycle, along with any adjustments that were needed, and also corrects it for next time.
Barista Guidance will also help you through the brewing and extraction process. You can choose a brew from standard cafe sizes or customize your brew by using the on-screen slider to adjust its volume. Intelligent Brew will measure the flow rate and be able to tell you if you've under or over extracted. You will then be guided on how to refine your coffee by adjusting the grind size, and the whole process can be dialed in.
Trends are changing. These days, a lot of people prefer alternative milks over dairy milk, and oat, almond, and soy are the most popular. So we developed a system that automatically works with them.
Alternative milks tend to overheat more easily than regular dairy milk. Barista Guidance helps you calibrate to your recommended coffee recipe. It can help guide you through the right steam pressure, temperature, and timing for each type of milk, so you achieve silky smooth microfoam every time.
People in each household have different tastes when it comes to milk. Some like it extra hot, some like more texture. The ability to customize your own coffee and save it for the future can really take all the hassle out of setting up the machine.
With the Barista Touch Impress, we've simplified the complicated parts of manual espresso without losing any of the magic. There's definitely a level of hands-on artistry if you want it, and assistance if you need it.